Any equipment used when dealing with asbestos-containing material must be cleaned, including the HEPA vacuum cleaner. The HEPA vacuum should only be used for asbestos-related work. Use it on dry material only and clean it after each use. Take time to familiarise yourself with the cleaning instructions found in the manual for the make and model of vacuum you're using, as it may be different from the one shown in this presentation. The manual should be kept with the vacuum cleaner. Electronic copies of the manuals for both types of HEPA vacuums used at Ergon Energy are available on the Asbestos Management SharePoint site. In addition to the relevant PPE, at a minimum you must wear a disposable P2 respirator and disposable gloves to clean the HEPA vacuum. Use wet wipes or rags from the asbestos handling kit to wipe down the outside of the vacuum canister. Wet wipe the air separator and seal the opening with the dust cap or with duct tape. Remove the hose, wipe the hose flange and seal the opening with the dust cap or with duct tape. Wet wipe the hose and any of the other attachments used to do the work. Seal any open ends with duct tape. Open the canister and check the cloth filter for any excessive dust or damage to the seal. The filter should be replaced if damaged or when the vacuum is sent for its annual testing and inspection. Check the vacuum bag to see if it is more than 3/4 full. If the bag doesn't need replacing, leave it undisturbed and close the lid. Bags only need to be replaced if the low flow indicator comes on when the vacuum is in use, in models that have this feature, or when the bag is more than 3/4 full. If the bag does need replacing, carefully remove it from the inlet fitting. Close the bag opening with the flange and seal it with the duct tape again. Then place it in an asbestos labelled waste bag. Before putting in a new bag, wipe down the inside of the canister to eliminate any dust residue. Place all disposable items used to do the work in the waste bag. Place this bag into a second waste bag. Make sure the bag opening fits snugly on the inlet fitting. And close the lid. HEPA vacuum cleaner bags are an inventory item and can be ordered as required. Double bag all waste and remove your respirator last. Gooseneck both bags and seal with duct tape. To transport the vacuum, place it and all the attachments in an airtight container. If you don't have an airtight container, place it and all the attachments in an asbestos marked waste bag. Put the first bag inside a second one, gooseneck both bags and seal them with duct tape. Put it in a secure place on the vehicle where it will not be damaged or punctured. Dispose of all bagged waste in an approved asbestos waste bin or at the nearest local authority asbestos disposal site.